Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to complete our lesson number 10, Force, Work and Energy. Force we have already done. Today we will discuss work and energy. So before starting work, let me first revise what is force. Force is a push or pull that changes position, speed, direction or shape of an object. And a force can move the things. So what is work then? Work is when a force moves something, work is said to be done. I am repeating again, when we apply some force on an object and it changes its position, then work is said to be done. Scientifically, work is said to be done only when the position of the object on which we have applied force is changed. So, if I say, if I am moving this, I am trying to move this, push this wall. I am again and again trying. I am trying even harder to push this wall. But this wall is not moving. Then, according to science, my work done is zero. I have done no work. But you will say कि मैम आपने इतना force लगाया, इतनी energy लगाई, that is all wasted. Yes, that is all zero. Because जब मैंने इस पे force लगाया तो ये wall push नहीं हुई, इसने अपनी position change नहीं करी, तो work is said to be zero. कोई work नहीं हुआ. Okay. So when work कब होगा? जब मैं किसी चीज पे force लगाऊंगी और वो अपनी position change कर लेगी. Then only work is said to be done. अगर आप बैठे हो, एक जगह बैठे हो, अपने सिर पे बहुत भारी वेट रख के बैठे हो, एक ट्रंक रख के बैठे हो, and you are thinking that you are doing some work, so scientifically you are doing no work at all because the position of the object on which you are applying force is not changing, so no work is said to be done. I hope work is clear now. Now let us come to energy. What is energy? And what are the forms of energy and what are the various sources of energy? Today we will discuss this. When we work, we need some energy. And from where do we get this energy? We get energy from food. So, energy is the ability to do work. This is the definition of energy. Now we will discuss various forms of energy. First one is heat energy. Heat energy, we commonly use heat energy in our houses to cook food. Moreover, heat energy is also used to develop steam, and that steam is further used in various industries and to pull steam engine, etc. Next one is light energy. Light energy you commonly see in our house to see, it helps us to see different things. Moreover, plants also use light energy. They use light energy to make their food because they make food in the presence of sunlight. So they use solar energy to make their food. Solar energy and light energy. Next is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy produced by electrical equipments. Different electrical equipments, be it a microwave, a fridge, a fan, all the equipments that work on electricity produce electrical energy. Next is sound energy. Sound energy is produced by the thundering sound of the thunders. You may have observed when a DJ night is going on near your home, so you may have noticed that the glass of your building also starts shaking. They make trembling sound. They start to rattle. So this is due to the sound energy only. Now, after the various forms of energy, we will discuss the source of energy. From where all the energy comes. What is the source of energy? So, ultimate source of energy is solar energy. And how do we use that solar energy? We indirectly use solar energy to do work. How? Because we eat food that gives us energy, and from where that food comes? That food comes from plants, and plants use solar energy. So indirectly we are using solar energy, and solar energy that is why called ultimate source of energy. Anything that gives us energy is called source of energy. Like food that gives us energy to do work is a source of energy. Similarly, fuels that are used to run our cars and vehicles, etc., that is also a source of energy. Moreover, these type of batteries, they are also a source of energy which gives us energy for later use. Now, let us discuss the various sources of energy, in which solar energy is the ultimate source of energy. Sun is the main thing that gives us energy for all the work we do. So, solar energy is used in solar cooker. It is also used in heating the water. Solar water heater. Solar energy is the energy that we get from the sun. Solar energy is used in solar cookers to cook food. It is also used in solar water heaters to warm up or boil the water, which is further used in various ways. Solar energy is also used in solar batteries, that is used in watches and calculators, etc. And the major thing is that solar energy is used as solar power. Anything that use CNG as a fuel, solar energy is used over there. Like it is used to run AC air conditions in our homes also, and it is mainly used in big hotels and the places where we need more of that. So that is all about solar energy. Now let us come to wind energy. Wind energy, the wind that blows has also energy stored in it, and we use that energy to produce electricity. This wind energy is used to sail the boats, and it is also used to move the shafts of a windmill that is passed on to the motor, and later on it is used to generate electricity. Thirdly, it is water energy. Water energy is also an important source of energy, as water is the ultimate thing that we all need for living. And water energy is also one of the most important source, as the running water is also used to produce electricity, that is called hydroelectricity. And this hydroelectricity is used to produce electricity from the moving water. Last source of energy is fuel energy. Wood has stored energy in that, and when we burn wood, it produces energy in the form of light and heat. And this fuel energy is used further in various vehicles, etc., to run them. So this is all about the sources of energy, and we have already discussed forms of energy. So now, my dear students, with this our chapter comes to an end. Hope you have understood the concepts well. Now what you have to do, you have to read all these topics from the books again. You have to read from page number 98 to page number 101, and if you have any query, feel free to call. I am always there to help you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.